The pie charts or the circle graphs are very common, and we can um, claim or assume that we can see them every day in every presentation or in many of the presentations that we see. Circle graphs or pie charts are used when we want to see visually how any part is contributing to the whole. Okay, so for example, we have here an example of um, um, we have total persons who contributed to specific workshops, and we want to know, for example, workers, uh, how, uh, what is the percentage of their contribution or the attendance in the over relative to the overall persons contributed in the workshops. So here we can see clearly that supervisors contributed the most, and then came the workers and staff, and then others, right? So we can see here the relative percentage or the relative contribution. Okay, um, so it's an easy tool to use. You just make sure that when you do it, that the total percentage will be 100%, so that you take into consideration the proper calculation. Of course, we are having a template dedicated for this, which we are going to show you in a moment. To use the pie chart template, you can go to C by graphs under 5 graphs. You can use this template directly and adjust it as per your liking. You can also create your own pie chart by going to insert pie chart, and so you can create your own pie chart that serves the purpose of your case. Also, you can add other groups. For example, here QC, and here 10. That will be reflected automatically on your graph. On your graph, again, you can adjust the graph to suit the data that you've just updated.